Hey guys, today I'll show you how to open the hood on a Ford Transit from 2006 to 2013. No screwdriver, no special tools. All you need is your regular ignition key. Come to the front of the van. On the radiator grille, you'll see the Ford emblem. Right underneath it, there's a small keyhole. Insert the key, turn the key to the left until you hear a click. The first latch is released, the hood pops up a little. Now turn the key to the right all the way, the main lock is open. Lift the hood with one hand, then with the other hand, find the yellow safety lever in the center and slide it to the left. That's it. The hood is fully open. You can put the prop rod in place. Super simple, super quick, no headache. If it doesn't work for you, drop your year and a photo of the keyhole in the comments. I'll help you out.